How to fix Instagram message request problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message request problem on Android phone. First then just open settings and then apps and go apps again, Instagram, and now just go to storage, clear cache, and then just restart your phone. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and then click storage and then click clear data, and then your problem must be fixed. Or you can just clear your phone cache, and that's it. That's how to fix Instagram message request problem on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.